Good morning everyone. So today we are back with another video about Brazilian rain tree. So you can all see how we are cleaning away all the weeds from the top layer of the soil. Now we are cleaning a part of the roots which are not useful, roots which are upside down or tangled and are not beautiful. You have to give the look of an old tree. So you will clean away all the unnecessary roots that are here and there. Now the trunk of the tree has a lot of fungus in it. You can see that the white spots are all fungus. This tree is very old and we have started to train it very recently. Now I am making holes in the pot so that air can get into the pot and the plant can breathe. Sometimes you need to do this with old potted stuff where roots have clogged, so that in the winters when you are not changing the pot, at least the air can get inside. I am adding some fertilizers. These are all slow release fertilizers and takes 3-4 months to disintegrate. What I am using is basically bone dust. This is SAF, it's a fungicide, so we will paint the body with fungicide so that all the fungus that is present in the body dies. So we take 1 spoon of fungicide and a little bit of monosil, which is a insecticide, so that if there are any insects inside the body of the tree, they will die. So we mix it with a little bit of water and we take a brush This is something that you can do on all your trees to keep the body of the trunk clean and preserve the wood as well properly. You need to mix it very nicely so that you get a uniform mixture. Now you take a toothbrush or any brush for that matter and slowly brush it on the body of the trunk. Slowly and slowly you have to complete the whole trunk. PRTs are very sensitive trees. They are both hardy and both sensitive. So slowly we are applying the solution that we made on the whole tree. As we apply the medicine, we can see that the bark is infected, and inside the bark we can see several pests and diseases. So we can understand how important it is to do this cleaning at times. Now comes the second part where we need to wear little by little all the branches which need wearing. So slowly we are wearing the branches. You can do it in a very simple way, slowly, so that your branches do not get disturbed, because this is the torment of the winter season. You don't want to harm your trees, hence you will do wearing very slowly.